Welcome to LitCommerce Academy, your go-to resource for using the LitCommerce app. In this step, you'll learn how to schedule and customize your feed within the feed settings. Let's get started. In the Schedule tab, you can choose the time to update their product data from the main store to the feeds. Choose the time zone for your daily syncs. You can adjust it to your preferred time zone or match it to your store's location. Then, select the time schedule for your feed updates. If your subscription plan supports multiple daily syncs, the additional syncs will be evenly spaced throughout the day. Now, let's move on to the Custom Fields section. Custom fields allow users to add fields that are required by the feed, but not available in product data from the main store. For example, you can define the age group attribute to specify if a product is for adults or kids. To add a custom field, follow these steps. First, click the Add Custom Fields button. Then enter the field name. Once done, click Create and your custom field will now be successfully created. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to schedule updates and customize your feed to meet platform requirements. Thanks for following along with our series. You're now ready to manage your product feeds with ease. Good luck and happy selling!